This might have been a bad idea. Oh. 5-knot wind, my ass. Love to be a weatherman. It's the only job in the world that you never have to be right. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know how long we're gonna last out here. It was supposed to be a 5-knot wind. A dirty, dirty lie. Oh, it's probably not the best idea to be out here, but today we're going for Lingcod again. And we're going all artificial. We got some bait too, but today is an artificial kind of day. We got a treat today. Today I'm going to be using this crazy looking thing. This is the most expensive lure that I've ever bought in my life. It's a little messed up right now, but keep an eye on those waves. This is the Mustad incubator, octopus style of lure. 9-ounce with 2 assist hooks. It's about 30 bucks to buy one of these, so I really hope I don't lose it. Straighten all these out here. This crazy thing, some waves coming, also comes with these little ink tablets. It's supposed to resemble an octopus in distress. So we're gonna try it out. I don't know how many to stuff inside the head. Doesn't really say. Start with 3. Maybe that'll be all right. Apparently they're octopus scented as well. Which, whatever an octopus smells like, I don't know. Three. We also got some other swim baits in here that we could try out. I really want to get something on this. It's part of what I want to do on the channel. Just test out all the craziest lures, weirdest lures, see if they work. So if you guys got something that you want to see tried, especially for rockfish or lingcod, leave a comment down below. We'll try and make it happen. There we go. Let's go with this one. Oh my God. This is a terrible idea to be out here right now, so I'm probably only going to give it one pass over this reef and then move back in shore to get some cover. I don't mind the swells, normal swells. The wind waves are unpredictable. You don't know when they're coming. It can make things bad in a hurry. I really don't want to get yelled at when I get home for being out in this. All right, incubator away. It looks like an octopus too. I know you guys can't see this, but this thing is nuts. It's got 2 big assist hooks on it, single barbless. The reason I wanted to try this is because if you saw the last video, one of the Lingcod that I got actually coughed up a baby octopus when I got it in the boat. I think they like octopus, so I should like this thing. Just getting up to some structure here. Be an interesting day. Yes, I know I'm not wearing a dry suit. I know I don't have a VHF radio. It's all about doing what you're comfortable with. I don't recommend anybody be out here if you don't feel comfortable. I'm starting to not feel comfortable. But I also want fish tacos. Oh, there's a big pinnacle down there. We're gonna send this guy down. Gonna stay pointed towards the direction of the swells. Gonna drift along. We're in 109 feet right now. There's bottom. Come up a bit. We're just gonna drift along like that. Oh, that was a bite. Put some more ink tabs in it. Didn't really look like they lasted that long. Another 3. Let's put 4 in. Just to give the ink vader every chance possible to get a ling. If not, I got some other swim baits here. Ugh. Got some other swim baits that we'll try out. And then if not, I also got some herring too, because that worked really good the last time. We're even gonna find a good spot. Find a good spot, drift it right over top. Give this thing a good chance to catch one. If not, we'll pull it off. I'm really curious too to see what would happen to that octopus lure, the ink vader. It's such a stretchy plastic. Wonder what kind of shape it'll be in if I do get a fish on it, especially a ling. Tearing it right up. Let's see how durable it is. Oh, it's not good. Looks like I ripped it. Got snagged up on the bottom. Ripped the skin right off of it. Oh dear. Maybe they have replacement ones. $30. Alright guys, it's a last ditch effort. Try and get something keepable. We are getting some bites. Actually, not really. Got like 3 bites. It's not something to write home about, but we're not out here for bites. We're out here to put fish in the boat. So just tied on. That's a Lighthouse Lures Max Shad, I think, 6-ounce swim bait. I don't think Lighthouse Lures isn't around anymore. I don't think. They got bought out by Gibbs, but I still have a lot of their swim baits and they work great. So let's go find our reef again. See if we can get anything. If not, we're gonna go closer into shore, get out of these waves a bit, see if we can't get a rockfish, or a couple flounder would be good too. Oh, there's a fish. Finally. Doesn't feel overly big. Decent rockfish, maybe. There's the leader. Ooh, little baby ling. Nice little lingcod, but it's not what we're after. But at least we got a fish. These swim baits are barbless too, so there's one hook. Sorry, buddy. I'll get you out of here. Skunk's off. We got one. You can really tell the ones that are keepable and the ones that aren't. It's not even worth pulling them into the boat. Just keep them in the water, send them on their way. Get your lure back down there. Maybe the... This is getting stupid. Oh. And we might get rained on here too. Oh. We're gonna take this party closer to shore, I think. I really feel like dying today. No fish is worth dying over. Ugh. Unless it's a marlin. Here comes the fisheries. Not bad. How about you guys?
We are fine. I just saw there was some legendary angling happening over here. I thought I'd swing by and say hi.
Oh.
Doing okay out here?
Yeah, for sure.
You don't need to come over here.
Okay.
I don't want to bump you or anything.
Flip me?
But, any luck?
Nothing keepable yet.
Okay, cool.
Nothing yet. Last.
Awesome setup you got.
Yeah.
Holy smoke.
Yeah, thanks.
Right on.
It's getting a little bit sporty out here though. I'm about to
Out here today,
to call it a day, I think.
But I applaud your effort.
Thanks.
Cool. You got your fishing license on you? And all
Yeah. You want to see it?
No.
Okay.
I believe you. You're doing.
Yeah, it's all going on YouTube. I can't do anything illegal.
Yeah, there you go. All right on. Well, good luck. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you guys have a good one, eh? It was actually one of the best encounters with fisheries that you could have. They're all good guys for the most part. They get a bad rap because they're out here doing their job, but as long as you're following the rules, you really have nothing to worry about. Stay out of the rockfish conservation areas. Make sure you're keeping legal fish. Fishing with the right gear, keeping fish that are in season, all that kind of thing. Follow the rules, you got nothing to worry about. We're gonna do one more pass here over this reef, and then I think it's getting pretty hairy out here. Push my luck long enough. All right, guys, that's it. I'm calling it. There comes a point where it's no longer fun to be out in stuff like that. The waves were only getting bigger. The wind's only picking up too, and it looks like we're gonna get poured on here in about 10 minutes. Always stay within your limits. Know your limits, first of all. I'm perfectly confident in my abilities out there, but even there comes a point where I just gotta say enough, shut it down. And we got to that point. Could see if maybe the bite was crazy, lots of action out there, but for one fish every hour and a half, 2 hours, not worth it. Had a little run-in with fisheries. Those guys are good guys though, they're cool. I know they always get a bad rap. A lot of people think they're assholes, and I mean, I'm sure there are guys out there that aren't the nicest people in the world to deal with, but at the end of the day, if you're doing everything that you're supposed to do and you're within the rules and regulations that Fisheries BC or any type of fisheries anywhere in the world sets out for you, there's really no reason for them to be an asshole. Follow the rules. You never have anything to worry about. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support. Really appreciate it. Sure to like, comment, share, subscribe as always. Until next time, we out of here. All right, we're back. Totally forgot the whole point of this video. Mustad incubator, a $30 jig. That is now destroyed because I got it snagged up in some seaweed or rocks or whatever the case may be. It ripped. Was it worth it? Yeah, I guess. I've always wanted to try it out. I don't see anything wrong with trying new things. Would I recommend it to anybody or to you guys? Or push that product on people? Absolutely not. Not for our area out here. I think it's totally unnecessary. As you saw, the one ling that I got was on a $10 swim bait or $5 swim bait or whatever it was. So yeah, you don't need expensive stuff to catch fish. Then again, I'm still gonna try lots of other different jigs, lots of other gear, lots of different techniques. That's part of fishing. Now I think we're done the video. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.